The train at platform 11 is the 1339 Transpennine Express service to Redcar Central via Middlesbrough. Calling at Thirsk, Northallerton, Yarm, Thornaby, Middlesbrough and Redcar Central. This train has 6 coaches. Platform 11 from the 1339 Transpennine Express service to Redcar Central via Middlesbrough. First class accommodation can be found in zones 8 and 5. Standard class in zones 10, 9, 7 and 6. Cycle spaces in zones 10 and 7. Wheelchair facilities in zones 8 and 5. 24-hour CCTV recording is in operation at this station for the purpose of security and safety management. Platform 5A of the 1333 LNER Azuma service to London King's Cross. Calling at Doncaster, Newark Northgate, Peterborough and London King's Cross. This train has 9 coaches. This train has on-board catering available. First class accommodation can be found in zones 1, 2, 3. Standard class in zones 4 to 9. Platform 1 of the 1345 Northern service to Bridlington via Hull. Calling at Church Fenton, Sherburn in Elmet, Selby, Howden, Gilberdyke, Rough, Hull, Cottingham, Beverley, Hutton Cranswick, Driffield, Nafferton and Bridlington. This train has 2 coaches.
Our station staff are here to help you with your journey and any questions you may have. Please respect all our staff. No one should have to tolerate threatening or abusive behaviour whilst doing their job. Let's work together to keep everyone safe.